Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how money is created online. Most people see AI as a shortcut for simple tasks, writing text, generating images, answering questions. But the real impact of AI is much deeper. AI is not just a tool. It is a multiplier of systems. It allows individuals to produce more output with less effort. And that changes how income is generated. In the past, building an online business required multiple skills: writing, design, marketing, and technical knowledge. Often people needed teams to scale these operations. A single person can perform many of these roles using AI. This shift is creating a new type of digital economy, small, efficient, and highly scalable, where individuals build income systems instead of single income streams. And AI sits at the center of these systems. The first category of AI tools focuses on content creation, writing articles, scripts, and marketing copy. Content is the foundation of most online businesses. It attracts attention and builds trust. The second category involves design and media generation: images, thumbnails, branding, and visual assets. In the past, this required professional designers. Now AI can generate high-quality visuals instantly. The third category focuses on automation: scheduling posts, responding to messages, managing workflows. Automation reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing creators to focus on strategy. The fourth category is data and research tools, analyzing trends, keywords, and audience behavior. These tools help identify where attention is moving. Attention often determines where money flows. The fifth category includes coding and website tools, building landing pages, applications, and online platforms. What once required developers can now be simplified. This lowers the barrier to starting digital businesses. The sixth category is marketing optimization: AI tools that test ads, improve conversions, and analyze performance. Small improvements in conversion rates can significantly increase income, and AI accelerates this process. The seventh category is idea generation and strategy tools. These tools help structure business models and income systems. They guide users towards scalable opportunities instead of random or inefficient efforts. But simply using these tools does not guarantee income. Many people experiment with AI but see little financial return because they treat AI as a shortcut instead of a system builder. And systems are where real money is created. Successful users combine multiple AI tools into one structure. Content generates traffic. Traffic is converted into leads or customers. Automation keeps the system running efficiently. This creates a financial loop. Output increases without proportional increases in effort. Costs remain low while revenue scales, and margins improve over time. However, this system also introduces new competition. More people can enter the market quickly, which means differentiation becomes critical. Quality, consistency, and strategy matter more than ever. Another challenge is over-reliance on automation. Without human insight, systems can become generic, and audiences often respond to authenticity and value, not just volume of content. Despite these challenges, AI continues expanding economic opportunities. It lowers the barrier to entry, increases productivity, and it reshapes how individuals build income. 3 key lessons emerge from this shift. First, AI does not replace effort, it redirects it. Second, systems built with AI scale faster than traditional models. And third, understanding attention is still the most valuable skill. Because even with advanced tools, money follows attention, and attention follows value. The people who understand this relationship are building modern income systems powered by AI. The question is not whether AI will change how money is made. It already has. The real question is who will learn to use it effectively. If you want more deep explanations about money systems, digital economies, and wealth strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.